Good Friday evening. It's good to have you with us late tonight. I'm Adam Atchison. First, an 11 News alert and two key developments surrounding the town of Palmer Lake and the proposal to build a Buc-ee's convenience store. Just hours ago, we learned that the court dismissed a lawsuit against the town filed by multiple groups challenging Palmer Lake's ability to annex land for that project. Also new tonight, a Board of Trustees member has resigned. Let's get to 11 News reporter Elena Tomash, who's at the 11 Alert Desk. Let's start with the lawsuit here, Elena. I know you're breaking this down. This lawsuit was filed months ago.
Adam, it was, and tonight the town said its request to dismiss the whole lawsuit was granted. Now, multiple groups, including one that calls itself Integrity Matters, accused the town of failure to comply with state law on the potential annexation and violating Colorado's open meeting law. Now, the lawsuit was filed back in January, and 14 groups and individuals were named as plaintiffs in the case, including Integrity Matters. In a statement released by the town of Palmer Lake tonight, town officials say a district court judge dismissed the entire lawsuit. They say it, quote, provides a solid foundation should an appeal be pursued. And now I spoke with an attorney with Integrity Matters who says the group is planning on resubmitting the suit and that this suit goes beyond Buc-ee's.
We don't believe that the court is actually stating that it's okay. The court was focusing on the fact that the annexation hasn't happened, but there was more to our suit than the annexation.
It's a win, but it's a little bit late in the game. I'm fine with people not agreeing with me that they would prefer not to have a Buc-ee's, but get their pitchforks out and tar and feathers is not the way that mature adults address disagreements.
Now, you might remember that voters recently passed an ordinance that changes how annexations are handled in Palmer Lake. They now require a public vote. Just last night, the trustees decided not to move forward with a public hearing or their own vote on the annexation and rezoning decisions for Buc-ee's, and instead send the proposal directly to voters. Adam.
And we're still waiting to learn what the language on the ballot could be and when that could happen, but we'll follow up. Elena, thank you. Also tonight, Palmer Lake trustee Amy Hudson, who's also the mayor pro tem, announced her resignation. In a letter posted to the town's website, Hudson mentioned the lawsuit's dismissal, saying in part, "My skin is too thin and I'm too bitter at this point to carry out my office. I officially resign my position as Palmer Lake trustee as of today, October 3rd, 2025. She goes on to say, and by the way, if the Board of Trustees did get to vote on Buc-ee's, I was going to vote no. Let's turn to 11 Alert weather on this Friday night.